morning, good friends. To remember everything what I read. So how I give this to remember everything what I read. So for that I make notes. I write down topics. I write down titles of them and then I rewrite them. I read and speak it and I repeat it. Now in today's video I am going to present based in favorite books. The first book is Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. We all see Jay Shetty's videos and podcasts. They are great knowledge and learning sharing. His social medias are must watch. And these life lessons and relationship lessons are very good. Then how I gave my best to add value to my content. For that I see videos and podcasts. That gives information and knowledge. These social medias are also must watch. Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. So this entire book is very interesting. Each chapter is very interesting. Jay Shetty meets monk Gauranga Das during his college life. The monk has left IIT Bombay to become a monk. From this, Jay Shetty starts kind of his life connected to monks. He meets a monk. This monk's mind has examined and it is younger than his peers because of deep meditation. This book has Vedic and Bhagavad Gita's concepts. Monk mindset is helpful for calmness, happiness, and to find purpose of the life. It begins with seeing inside. It begins with clarity in thoughts. People often do not behave as per their thoughts. People should do the tasks that are most value adding to their lives. People should spend money on it. Now this book has pictures and text to explain things with very good examples as well. People should surround self with positive people. If people surround self with similar values people, it is helpful for their growth. Every time you meet the people, think that you feel happy or not, you feel more near to your goal or not. Also, it is important to avoid negativity. Negativity comes from fear, comparison, criticism, etc. Avoid negative people. Hear negative things and forget about them. And if someone says something negative to you, it is not all time required to solve that problem, but it is sometimes also good to help them solve their problem by seeing them to other people or other situations. If you feel that it is not required to solve that problem by you for them this time. So I am going to read the full book and I am going to repeat it. As I find this book very interesting and it has good theories as practices. As we talk what to think that to become, and for that we should think with clarity and all. And such amazing quotes are given in the book and they are explained beautifully. Such amazing quotes are given in the book and they are explained in very good manner. Jay Shetty recommends breathing, visualization and sounds. Thinking fast and thinking slow. People should take decisions on the basis of intuition, statistical data and also on verbally basis. So, a person invests in a company on the basis of the work the company does. And he does not think much about the alternatives Sometimes, sometimes the questions are hard that people try to find the easy answers. Now system 1 and system 2. So a woman is angry, that can be said because she has angry expressions on her face and her mouth is open in anger. Also, if one wants to calculate 27 into 19, he or she will calculate it. This is an interesting book because it has many examples to describe everything that is written in this book. Now while we work with attention and focus, we work with flow. Like when we are writing and when we are dancing, we can try it. Then attention and effort. So some people are said to observe the letters ending with K and also the bright images on the K. So most of people could not observe both the things. Now some of the more factors are laziness. People may work with laziness or activeness and it will affect the quality of the work. Then intelligence. So people's intelligence level can be increased. Now control. So people do not have control over gratitudes. Like some people are said to get more salary from this month and they accept it immediately, when some people are not accepting it because they are getting more beneficials by getting the more salary from not this month but by the next month. Autobiography of a yogi. So this is a spiritual book. This is the autobiography of a soul rather than autobiography of a body. Acharya Paramahansa Ji has a guru from very childhood, Guruji Lahari Mahasaya. He has an omnipresence. Because of that, Acharya Ji's cholera has healed. Acharya Ji Paramahansa meets his father's friend in Banaras. He understands meaning of deep meditation there. He meets the saint with two bodies. After then he meets Guruji Lahari Mahasaya in deep meditation. Acharya Ji Paramahansa Ji learns Sanskrit and Kriya Yoga and deep meditation with his Guruji. He experiences many miraculous things through such things. In this book, many such incidences are given that increase person's positivity and his beliefs in miracles. Like once inspector makes injured a saint and saint's hand is broken badly, but then it has healed due to the power of the meditation that the saint does.